Okay, I'm not sure if you can see me from here, but hopefully you can. Good afternoon. I'm going to make a tuna salad for myself. It is one of the things that I've changed in my life as far as what I eat. I'm trying my best to eat more protein, which is essential for women, especially those who are over the age of 40. To have more protein in their diet, which helps with menopause, your bones, and weight loss. Yeah, so, and I'm working. So bear with me, I need to check that. Okay, so I'm prepping in advance because I want something for lunch today and something that'll last me probably for tomorrow. 3 cans of tuna is my normal go-to that lasts me about 2 days. So let's do this. Let me open these up. I know my other video I had said that I've been gone and I really don't know what to record and where this channel's gonna go, and I still don't. So bear with me as I record what I'm recording and hoping that something will resonate with me and go from there. Oh, come on. I should have started this video after I opened the can of tuna, but I didn't, so. All right, I'm gonna get the bowl, so that way I'm not making a stinky tuna mess. Doesn't look very good. Is this expired? No, I've got nothing for you. So 3 cans of tuna. I'm not very happy with the way that looks, but we're going to go with it. I have 3 eggs, and I'm going to season it with some Italian seasoning. And I just put in what I feel like it's going to taste like to me. You know, if you guys are going to follow and take notes, just add what the amounts that you know that you like. I like spicy things, so I'm adding pepper flakes and garlic, and onions, of course. And I like a lot of onions. I'm a big onion fan. Now, I do from the normal, typical salt and pepper, which I will put salt and pepper in this, but I like to experiment with different things. And this is just a Mediterranean Greek salad seasoning, which we got when we were abroad. It's really good. So then I'll add some pepper. And of course salt. Cut myself there. And I'm a big salt eater. Some people say salt's not good for you, and some people say it is. I believe it is good for you. It's way better than sugar. This is my homemade garlic oil, and then I have my homemade pepper oil, and I'm almost out, so I have to make some more. But I like to put seasoned oil in my tuna because it helps reduce the need for mayonnaise, which I do put in here, but I don't put a lot. Now, I'm going to get the mayo and mustard. mayo and mustard, and my secret ingredient, which is truffle oil. And when you put truffle oil in your tuna salad, you'll know why and you won't go back. Let's add the mayo. I'll put about a tablespoon of mayonnaise, maybe a tablespoon and a half. This is 3 cans of tuna, as you know. And I just squirt the mustard in, whatever I think I'm gonna like. And of course I'm gonna tweak this as I go. I didn't drain this tuna very well, so it's gonna be a little wet. Hopefully. This tuna does not taste bad, because I don't normally buy the brand that this is. And I'm the only one that eats tuna in this house, so I can put the spoon back in there. So now I'm going to chop up the eggs, and I like pickles in my tuna as well. And another secret ingredient, which I'll show you guys in a minute. Here, and I don't. All right. So today I am working. We have 2 deals, real estate wise, and trying to put out a fire on one of them. The joys of selling property, real estate. Nothing's set in stone until you close escrow. So it is what it is. Clients' happiness is more important than a paycheck. As long as they're happy, they stick with you, and we get to the end goal. And on top of that, it's end of month, so I have to get financials done. Because we have a deadline. So I'm not really picky with my eggs as far as being chopped up. And again, I'm the only one that's eating this, so I don't need it to be pretty. As long as it tastes good. So 3 eggs. I'm not too sure if there's a lot of people who like tuna. And if any of you are watching this video and that loves tuna, I'd love to know what you add into your tuna salad. Because I like to change it up a little bit. And when there's something really good that you like to add in and I don't know about it, I would love to add it into mine. I'm very open when it comes to food. I like to try new things. And these eggs come for our hens. We have 4 hens on property. We used to have 6. One passed away unexpectedly, and the other one kept beating up on the youngest one, so she had to go. But she's in a happy home right now. It's actually kind of cool, and it's nice to have my own hens. and knowing that the eggs that we are eating are not like add stuff from the grocery store. Okay, I have the pickles. And I am a pickle lover. If I could have pickles on everything, I would. And especially when I'm trying to not eat as much carbs, I'll roll a pickle up in with a slice of turkey meat. Oh my goodness, so good, man. Least, I think I'm going to make myself a matcha in a minute. I add the olive salad mix. This stuff is really good, especially in here. It gives it a good salty Mediterranean. It's actually really good. It's very good. I try to like get not so many, I won't say many, but the oil, because I've already added oil to this. I don't want it to be too oily, but again, this tuna is not the best brand. Some off-brand. I don't even know where it came from. I think my daughter brought it over. So I'm gonna mix that all together, and we have a full bowl of tuna salad. And I will eat this with wrapped in lettuce, which is the way I'm gonna have it today. And I'll show you guys. And I'll have it with a side of the chicken chips, which is my new favorite thing to eat right now. And I'm gonna make a matcha. That's clean. Now the tuna will probably be a lot better when it sits and gets cold. It's not cold right now. I wish it was, but I'm hungry. Avocado would be good too. That goes right there. Let's get the salad. And yes, I know my refrigerator is filthy. Oh, this is another thing. I might actually like go over this with you one day. These are keto rolls. Homemade with almond flour, and they're actually pretty good. And I'll show you guys, I guess, that if you want, or if I have nothing to like record, as I do today. Here's what it is. I am recording because I need to. I enjoy recording. It's just getting back into the swing of things, and I'm kind of feeling I don't know what to record. And so I'm going to just record. Here. So do have a few new win items closed, which I'll do a video on. And I think I'll also maybe do one on fall fashion, what I'm wearing out of my closet, shop closet, which is something I'm trying very hard to do right now. Paper plate, because I don't want to clean any more dishes. All right, that's not a very good piece of lettuce, but so if this was colder, it would be so good. I'm pretty sure it would be delicious. Wrap it up in some olive oil. Put avocado on it. And I think I'm probably going to put a little bit on the side because I don't want to deal with too much of a mess. Lettuce and all. And this is butter lettuce. You guys are wondering. I'm quite sure you already know this. Oh, we have chicken, so I'm just going to give that to them. Not holding up very well. Not sure why. Something I would love a slice of cheese with this. I'm going to taste it. We are going to go for it. Oh, can we do this without making a mess? Not bad. It would be a heck of a lot better if it was cold. Alright, I gotta clean up after myself here. Alright guys, I'm going to end this here because I don't want this video to be too long and boring. You have to get back to work. Let me show you this. Best thing ever. Best thing ever. When you know you don't need chips, but you want chips. Best thing ever. I'm hoping they come out with more choices of flavor. But my husband doesn't like spicy food, so he can't even have this. All right, I'm gonna eat lunch, make a matcha, get back to work, and maybe I'll pick up the camera later today. We'll see. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.